Hello, welcome to our DIY bird feeder tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to make your own bird feeder using just a few simple materials. First, gather your supplies. You will need scissors, peanut butter, twine, some pine cones, food for the birds, and a spatula.
Oh, I have all of those things.
And for the pine cones, I just grabbed my pine cone from the beach. You can get pine cone or you can use any stick. Let's make the first one. For this one we just use the twine. Just attach it to the pine cone. Spread a generous amount of peanut butter over the entire surface of the pine cone. Make sure to get it into all of the crevices. Birds really like the peanut butter, and it also helps bird feed to stick it to the pine cone. Then roll the peanut butter covered pine cone in a bowl of bird feeds until it is fully coated. In this case, I use the leftover cereals. You can use any kind of bird feed. It just depends what sorts of birds you want to attract. Finally, hang your bird feeder in a tray or other location where you want to attract birds. Now let's make the second bird feeder, the one hanging on the wooden platform. I'm just using some random wood from the garden. You guys can use any wood if you have. This wood is just from the pallets. Nothing too fancy.
Don't forget to wear covered shoes next time.
I wanted to make a bird feeder so it has a sitting station for birds and a roof on top. Bird feeders offer a fun and entertaining way to observe birds up close and connect with nature. I just love the whole process of doing something for them.
Be careful, don't hit your toes.
Please remember that saws and hammers can be dangerous and adult supervision is recommended if trying this at home. This is my finished platform. Now I will add my pine cone to the board. I added a nail to the bottom of the top platform to hang the pine cone from. You can either hang this bird feeder on the tray, just like these ones, or you can leave it on the ground. And that's it, your DIY bird feeder is ready to use. We hope you enjoy watching the birds visit your new feeder. Birds need some time to get comfortable with these bird feeders, so please be patient. They will eventually come and find the bird feeders. Let me know how you get on with your own bird feeder in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Happy bird watching.